Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the new Honey Baby Naturals hair products. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so I'm going to start off by showing you what they sent me. So basically, I had collabed with Honey Baby Naturals for my Halloween video. If you guys haven't checked that out, whoa. If you guys haven't checked that out, it's on my Instagram. So that's what I use for my Halloween hair routine. So basically, I got a mail. What is wrong with me today? I'm so tired. A box in the mail, and I was really confused on why they were sending me a box because we hadn't spoken. And I'm going to put a video on this side. I'm going to split the screen so you guys can see what the box looked like when I first opened it and how I unwrapped it and everything. This is what the box is looking like now because I couldn't wrap it back up. So I'm going to open the box for you guys. You can watch this video or the one I'm doing right now. It really doesn't matter. So it came with a book. They have my name on the book. It's spelled wrong, but it's okay. It's my name on the book. And it's basically Honey Baby hair recipe book. So the first page talks about becoming part of the community. The second page is talking about what to use for wash and go. The third is the hair balm and what to use. I don't know, just honey glazed hair balm. Talking about the hair balm. The third page is Really Hold It Honey Intense Holding Styling Gel. This is if you're doing an updo. And then the last page is Honeydew Hair Foam Styling Mousse. And this is for a perm rod set. Her hair is also straight, so I don't know if that's what it's for as well. So yeah, the new products, there are 4 of them, right? There's 4 of them, right? Yeah, there's 4 of them. It's the Wash and Go All-in-One Styling Cream, the Honey Glazed Hair Balm, the Really Hold It Honey Intense Hold Styling Gel, and the Honeydew Hair Foam Styling Mousse. So it also came with this really cute for the stove oven, doesn't really matter. And it has the little towel that you put on the handle of the oven. So yeah, it's really cute. And then it came with 3 samples. Two of the samples I have, and the other one I do not have, was just a softening conditioner. So I'm gonna use this in my routine. I'm gonna put this over here, and then this was what was on the box, as you guys saw in this video. And then this is the hair foam. Show you guys. Is it gonna focus or no? All right. Let me see if I turn off this light, would it focus? Come on. Come on. Whatever, it doesn't work, but it's okay. Put the light back on because it got really dark. So yeah, this is the foam. This is the Wash and Go Honey Styling Cream. This is the hair balm. This is the Really Hold It Honey Intense Styling Hold Gel. So, because, I don't do a lot of anything else except wash and go, because that's what works best for my hair. I'm going to be using the Wash and Go Honey Styling Cream and the Really Hold It Honey Intense Styling Hold Gel for my when I got the shower routine. I also want to know in the comments if you guys would want me to do a flexi rod set, because I've had these flexi rods in my drawer since the summer, and it is April, and I've never used them because I'm scared that it's gonna come out really bad. But if you guys want me to try and do an experiment with my hair, I definitely will at some point. It may be my next video, may not, depending on when I do my next video and where I'm going and if I could look crazy going there, if it doesn't work out. So I'm gonna go in the shower. Like I said, I'm gonna be using their shampoo that they had given me before, and I'm gonna be using the softener conditioner from the travel size packet. I'm also gonna be using, where did I put it? I might have forgot it over there. I think I did. The hair mask. So yeah, I'm not gonna film me wash my hair in the shower because that's not what I'm reviewing. I'm reviewing the 2 new products I'm using when I get out. So I will be right back out of the shower. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower and I just want to say that the softening conditioner was honestly amazing. So yeah, so let me get a different packet because that one's, I left it over there. You guys see how small this packet is, right? It's very thin, it's very small. I used about this much for each half of my hair, and it detangles my hair in less than 2 minutes, literally like a minute, and my hair has never felt this good. And after using the mask as well, and the shampoo, it's honey based or whatever, so it was very thick and it felt like really amazing on my hair. Usually I don't use many other shampoos other than the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, just because of the fact that my hair goal at the moment is for it to get longer, and that does help grow my hair. But I honestly love this whole wash routine, and hopefully I love the styling just as much. So let me see what this says about the Wash and Go. It says the Wash and Go Honey is an all-in-one styling cocktail that is great for waves, curls, and coils. Perfect for wash and goes. This styling cream tames and softens the hair while also providing great definition and shine in one easy pre-mixed product. It is great for all hair types 3 and 4. It has natural ingredients including lemongrass, almond oil. Yeah, I thought the list was longer. So it says gently wash the hair, massaging with the Honey Child moisture balance shampoo into the hair and scalp. I did that in the shower. After shampooing, remove excess moisture from hair. Massage the Honey Sweet Softening Conditioner directly to the scalp and distribute on hair from root to end. Allow to sit for a few minutes and rinse well. I did that, but I also combed it through at the same time. After washing and conditioning a hair, apply the Wash and Go all-in-one styling cream to damp hair. Okay, so I also use the mask as well because I always condition my hair. But now I'm going to use the product on. This is my damp hair. My hair is growing so long. But this is my damp hair. This side too. So now I'm going to apply. This is with no product, by the way. So my hair does hold definition regularly, like without product as well. So I'm going to start off with the Wash and Go Honey. I'm going to take off my ring. Okay. So I'm going to start off with this. I never realized how white this light was, because like I look so light. Oh well. Oh, there's a cap on it. Hold on. It smells like all the other products, like honey, of course. So let's. It is thick, as you can see, so I'm not going to apply a lot because my hair is thin. So let's do this. Ooh, it is providing that moisture. Oh my god. It feels amazing. This feels great, and considering that it's so thick, it's a little sticky just because, you know, it's honey, which I don't really mind that much, so then hopefully my curls could clump together more. So let's see. Let me make sure I'm getting it in the back and everything. Alright, so this is the side that has nothing on it, and this is the side that has the styling cream. So now I'm going to put the styling cream on the other side. I might add more to the inside of my hair because I feel like it doesn't have enough. Boom. Alright guys, so like I said, I am going to apply a little more on the inside because I feel like it doesn't have enough. And those are where my more tighter curls are. Alright, so this is it with just a styler. So now oh my god, my hair is getting so long. Do you guys see this? It was not this long before I got my cut. I think it was the resale cut, and I'm definitely going back to Alyssa to get my cut because my hair grew so much since then. So now I'm gonna use the Real Hold It Honey Intense Styling Hold Gel. I can't open it. Of course, I should have done this before. That would have made more sense. This one's like a different color and everything. It still smells like honey. It smells like a tad different. Maybe they had a different ingredient or something. I'll read the information about this in a minute. It's like a peach color. It looks orange in the light, and I don't know why, but it's a peach color. And the way I apply gel, I'm just going to apply it to my whole head. I'm not going to apply a lot because I don't want it to like crunch up because I never used this gel before, so I don't know if it crunches my hair. Which isn't really a problem because I can just scrunch out the crunch with my oil. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. It looks really good and shiny, and hopefully it gives me the length retention, you know. And my curls are very defined. I honestly am loving this right now, so much. Alright guys, I'm gonna come back to you when it is dry. Alright guys, so this is the end result. My hair is very shiny, and the definition is there in some places and not in others. On the inside of the definition isn't as good as the outside, but yeah, on the top it's like wavy. I don't know, my hair's really weird. It like waves and then curls. I don't know, but I feel like it was a little too like sticky for my liking. But after you scrunch out the crunch, all that comes out. So like at first I was like, what is this? My hair was crunchy. It was like stuck to my head. I wasn't really feeling it. And then like I scrunched out the crunch with, of course, the Righteous Roots oils that I always use. And this was the end result. It definitely retained the length. And for day one hair, this is actually like really good. Like what's it called? The volume. The volume is really good for day one, especially because my hair is like 20 different lengths all around. Like some stops here, some ends here. But like I'm not trying to cut it because I'm trying to let my hair grow out. So yeah, overall, I feel like the wash products works better than the styling products. But I would use the styling products again. I'll just probably go a little lighter on them so that my hair has a little more volume and isn't as crunchy. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post.